You're so fluffy. Oh, look at that. Hi.
I have 2 little girls, a dog, and a wife.
And you can really fit a whole family in here. I'm really blown away. Everyone's been telling me at the rally, like, you gotta go see it, you gotta go see it, and I can see why. There's just so much in here and there's so much space. Hey guys, I'm here with Jesse Collinsworth with Rugged Mountain Custom RV, and he has this beautiful camper that he's gonna give us a tour of.
It's a brand new model for us. This is a prototype model that we're testing out. My family always uses our prototype so we can see any problems, changes we're gonna do before we put it into a production model. This is a flatbed unit. I did build this flatbed. There is a plate here. If you look, the separation is right here. It's sitting on a rubber pad. There's 5 bolts on each side. I unbolt 5 bolts, the jacks go down, and I pull out. Very easy unload and load. It is a triple slide unit. This unit here has 60 gallons fresh. We have 74 gray and 40 black. That's our current tank sizes on this guy.
That's incredible.
Yes, it's, wow. And I'll probably upsize the gray just because we're finding it's just a little small, so I'll probably put a bigger gray tank in there.
So you have more gray than fresh?
Yes, that's mainly because a lot of people will take other tanks with them, or they can fill up more if they needed to.
Like spare jugs with
yes.
Because that's one of the problems is we still have fresh water, but we have no more gray water.
Yes.
So, oh, that's really cool.
That's one of the big ones, is so I went a little bit bigger on my grays just for that reason, because a lot of people can continue to fill their gray. You know, this was kind of a special project for me. We changed our graphics package. Like I said, it is a triple slide here, and it is a completely different feeling than any other manufacturer out there. A flatbed gives me a lot more options for slides and how I do the layout in it. 2 other things I took into consideration was access to the bathroom without the slides going out, and access to the fridge, which we have in this unit too. The fridge is a little tight, but the bathroom's very easy access if you had to pull over on the side of the road and not put your slide outs out.
I haven't seen the bathroom yet, so I'm super curious.
As far as storage goes, obviously I got 4 bed boxes that are built into the bed. Plenty of storage there. I got compartment here for electrical. All my electrical stuff is in there, solar items. Some of them are in there. This guy here is just where a generator would go. But I'm not running a generator. I currently am testing out some Expion stuff here. I got 4 Expion 120s. In here I got 850 watts of Zamp solar, and I got a 3500 watt inverter in here, and I've yet to come off full mark, so it's doing very well. Around the back here, I got my gray and pull handles inside of here, and my fresh drain. It drains right out the bottom. The next one is propane. And then the farthest compartment there, I got what I call a fishing pole drawer. It's a 6-foot drawer that goes up, and then 2 foot of a box storage in the back of that. I would show you that, except for I'm all packed ready to leave, so it's completely full.
This is the last day of the rally, so everyone's kind of packing up to go, and we grabbed them just before he left.
We got to walk around the ATV here.
And it looks like you do have an extension. Okay.
Yep.
That looks custom.
Yeah, I have a 30-inch that I built because I actually haul a little bit heavier stuff sometimes. I got a Furrion on-demand water heater here, just a standard furnace here. And again, 2 side boxes. This one has 4 120 amp batteries in it. And on this side is an inverter and room for 3 more batteries to extend if I need to. And on the roof, I still have room for 3 more 170 watt solar panels, so I can extend that 850 over I can get up to 1200 there. So.
And I see this is on a 5500.
This is a Dodge 5500.
What's
chassis.
You have other models, but what are the weights and requirements for trucks?
Well, this unit here, as it sits dry, we weighed it in just at 58 and change, so I'm going to tell you it's 6,000 pounds dry. I have a 11-foot granite non-slide unit. I have puller units that are slide units. You can go to rmcrv.com or just look up Rugged Mountain. We are a very small company. We produce 10 to 12 units a year currently. We know every one of our customers. It's very nice. This set of steps I'm working on, biggest complaint of customers is they don't have a set of steps that works when it's on the truck and off the truck. Fresh water filled air. So now we'll take a step up in here and look at the inside.
This thing is huge. Look at the size of this.
Okay, so here's the inside of my new model, which currently still does not have a name, but we're working on that. Triple slide, as you can see. Just inside the door, you got your dinette, which we use as a bunk. Up here is where one of my other girls sleep. Oh, wow. So we got an overhead bunk there. I got my safety net that comes up and clicks up, but very functional for my purpose.
That, I've never seen anything like that. And is that suspended by almost like seatbelt material?
It's strappy material. Each one of my sleeping areas here has a light for my girls so they can sit there and read and whatnot. And like I said, it has a net that goes up, safety net, so she doesn't roll off. Obviously, you know, not everybody needs bunk beds, but this slide's big enough for me to put recliners in.
And as your business name says, it's custom, so people can basically order whatever they want that you can build. So if they don't want that,
as long as it's not structural, we can change a lot of stuff. Colors, Korean countertops, you know, trim colors, things like that. That stuff's easy for us, and that's what sets us apart from everybody else. As you can see, we got a very light interior. My other company, we build tiny houses. I own Tiny Ida Homes also, and we build tiny houses, so you can kind of get that where one company runs into the other feeling inside of my truck campers. I got very light interiors. You'll see the run over between my products, and that's why it's very light feeling in here, bright. In the back here, we just got another sofa. Like I said, it's very important when my girls are sleeping that my wife and I can still have a nice spot to sit other than the cab over sleeper part. Something we did just this last year was switched our windows over. If you haven't seen them, these are great windows. You got your blackout material. You also have your screens. And then nice, no bar in between to obstruct your view. And they open up from the bottom. You can have them open when it rains. And they got multiple settings here. Plenty of air movement through here. I got windows, cross breezes. We got tons of storage. Plenty of storage all over this guy. If you come around this back side, we got charging ports, 12 volt, 120. And then we got a little fold-up table here I put in just if we're sitting here with a laptop, doing a little bit of work or something while kids were sleeping. So the bottoms of these guys are vents and return vents. We just try to make them look prettier. Coming around here, we got our range hood combo all here. Nice subway tile backsplash. We try to dress it up. Just again, we use it, so our magnetic knife holder, everything there.
it's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's that residential feeling we try to bring into our products. Microwave, every little bit we can get storage we use. We got an 8 cube fridge here, just standard RV. We will be going to complete 12 volt units here. We got a single basin deep farm sink. This guy is very, very attractive. This feels like a house, not like a RV. You can come around this side and see that farm sink front. We got a spring faucet here. Spray. On this side we got a hand soap dispenser here. Comes with a stopper and our strainer down there.
And that is a deep sink.
Yes, it fits plenty of dishes. So.
I'm feeling very jealous.
Above the island we got the same structure above, trying to give you that coffer ceiling look with pendant lights going on. LED lights around.
What's the height of the ceiling? It looks really tall.
Yeah, so inside height from floor to ceiling, we're sitting at almost 8 foot. We're about 7'8" interior height here. More height than any truck camper out there. I feel very comfortable saying that.
Perfect for tall people, that's for sure.
On the front of this island, we got a fireplace, electric fireplace. Again, it's just electric, running on inverter. It's kind of a ambiance thing and a backup heat source for us. Behind me here, our sleeper area. I got hampers and closets on both sides of this guy. Storage, as much storage as I can get, but yet we still have that cross breeze window going on. This is a queen. It's on each side of the bed above the hampers. You got a 120 and a 12 volt outlet. We have done some units with king beds in them. It just takes away more storage. It's a give and take in truck camper world, as you guys know.
I like the stairs.
Yes, the stairs, we got our little step lights here. They are storage stairs too. Again, every little spot we can. So we do have stuff in there, and behind me is my wall of electronics. little bit of storage. I call this my key storage. When you walk in, you always have a place to throw stuff. Radio, tanks, monitors, on-demand thing there, and we got inverter, slides, and jack mechanisms. And then I got a big pull-out drawer here.
Wow, that's big.
This is kind of our little quick access for kids stuff and flashlight and whatnot. This room here, we got our bathroom. We got a corner shower here for us again. This works for us. It is a dry bath. We got toilet there, storage, full-length mirror, which was an absolute must for the wife. Nice little sink, vanity, storage below, and we got storage with adjustable shelves above. And obviously, fantastic fan.
You have two. You have one in the bathroom.
In the bathroom and one out. The one outside the bathroom has a remote, where the one inside is manual. Yes. Okay.
This is really an amazing unit. Actually, I think this is the first flatbed truck camper I've been in, and it really changes the way everything works. The height, the space.
Sorry guys, my daughter's out there crying.
Unhappy children. But I mean, that's true. I mean, you can really fit a whole family in here.
Absolutely.
I don't think I've seen all of that. I'm really blown away. Everyone's been telling me at the rally, like, you gotta go see it, you gotta go see it, and I can see why. There's just so much in here, and there's so much space. And
well, again, I mean, I build truck campers. I can't build one unit that works for everybody, and
nope.
And we have fit in a smaller unit, but this is where I'm going with my family, and this is what I envisioned when I built it. And
yeah,
it works great.
This is really fantastic, especially the kitchen, and amazing. If you guys want more information, make sure you check out their website, including the tiny home website. I'm going to leave that up on the screen. Well, thank you very much for the tour. This is great. All right, guys. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Want to say bye? Hmm?